can someone who doesn't have a lawyer representing them file written pleadings on their own in immigration court? Now, why does this matter before we answer the question? Written pleadings are something that sometimes a judge asks you to do. Usually they don't. Usually the judge doesn't ask you to do this. Instead, you would do the same thing orally in person or by video conference if the judge makes it video conference during your first hearing, during what's called the master calendar hearing. But if you want to, you can do this on your own and basically do in writing what you would normally do in person on that day. And so we call these written pleadings, where we write out the pleadings and you send them in. And in my law firm, what we the benefit of this, how we use it is we send in this, and we also send in a motion to asking the judge to cancel the master calendar hearing and just go ahead and skip straight to the individual, schedule that main hearing. Because we say, look, judge, we already did in writing what we would do in person, that day. So there's no need to have that hearing. It's pointless. So could you please cancel it and schedule the individual hearing? And we do this because we think that, well, one of the reasons is that we think that normally the sooner you get your hearing, the sooner you get to explain your case and get a decision, the better your chances for success. So we want to move the case along as quickly as possible. And this helps to do that by just skipping over the master calendar hearing altogether. So to answer the question of, can you do it on your own? Absolutely. Yeah. You don't have to be a lawyer to file. You can do everything on your own in terms of, filing any kind of motion or documents. You can do it on your own. There's no requirement to have a lawyer to file anything. It can be a little tricky. The written pleadings might, there's a little bit of, care that you have to take with those to do it properly. So I do recommend that you have a lawyer, because it's important. So I do recommend that you have it, but sure, you can do it on your own if you don't have a lawyer. You don't want to hire a lawyer for that.